Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Let's walk around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. As you can see, we are in front of the historic Stockholm City Library, Stadsbiblioteket. And today we're gonna do one of the most requested videos of my channel, checking out the library. So the first question is, will they let me in while filming? And the second question is, what are they doing here? I mean, I know they're refurbishing the library. There's a big sign saying, we're freshening it up and we're making it a more secure and better place. But I don't know exactly what they're going to do here. If they're going to build a whole new wing or just change the concrete, but they're building some kind of tent which goes on top of the front of the library. But anyway, so a little disclaimer, I probably won't talk as loud and as much as I normally do because we have to be respectful because it's a library. But mission number one is get in, because I'm not sure they actually let me in with the camera filming, so let's try to be quiet. All right, let's go in, folks. Wow. Oh, wow. Check this out, people. It's not disappointing. Wow. I wonder how many books they have here. This is crazy. See, there's a little desk there in the middle with information. They have a children and youth section. They have different languages here: Danish, Finnish, Sami, Italian, Spanish, Arabic, all kind of stuff. A little Christmas tree as well. Yeah, they had a sign on the door. It says, like, if you take photographs, etc., you have to have hänsyn till people that work there and people that walk here. So yeah, I see another guy filming, so it should be fine. The Christmas tree. Check out the ceiling as well. Whoa, it actually makes me a bit dizzy looking up. Alright, let's take a random book here. An Orchestra of Minorities. Alright, what's this about? Kizzy Obiama pens a deeply empathic, complex and gut-wrenchingly human narrative that captures the heart and soul. Alright, alright. There's another level, not sure how I get there. Well, I like that really big clock there. In the Finnish section. Let's check out the Finnish section, okay? I mean, wow, check this out, man. What's in here? Quickly sneak peeking. right. Not sure. You check out this clock. Pretty cool. We got here right at the entrance at 10 o'clock. So just at opening time. Hey. Alright, what's this? Is this Finnish? Emmi Mustonen. Yeah, that sounds very Finnish to me. They also have a lot of smaller rooms with different sections like sci-fi and things like this. No, closed. Maybe up there is just for staff, because look at there, there's some really old books there. Gallery 1. Oh wow, what's in here? Oh, alright. Ooh. Wow, okay. Very narrow. I have to take off my backpack to even fit in here. Oh wow, 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 wow. I'm getting excited now. I'm at the top level here. Oh wow. To be honest, it gives me a little bit of fear of heights here. I mean, check out these books here. What's this? 1951, 1956. And look how narrow this is here. Pretty crazy. You know, I'm gonna keep this video a little bit short, as you understand, because I can't walk around here for like an hour just looking at books. So the question is, if there's dust on that one, how do they clean it? From the top, from the bottom, from the middle? Yeah, that's the question of the day, folks. How to clean that lamp. There must be at least like 30 meters or whatever. Because the bookshelves are 24 meters up, I've read on the Wikipedia. It's funny, like I've been many years in Stockholm, but I've never really... I think I've been once here, but yeah. Never properly walked around here. Just down there, I think. Never up here. Nice, let's check another book. Oväntat besök på Star Street. I don't know what that is. Ooh, some small speakers hidden. Oh, that's the alarm. Utrymningsalarm. Oh, that's when they have to evacuate the whole building. All the students coming in. I think we got here just before it got really busy. There's a lot of people like coming in now. Which is not so weird, because as far as I know, this is like the main library here. So yeah, I wonder what the most unique book is they got. It seems like it feels like it's somewhere over there. Feels a bit like I'm in Harry Potter, right? So cool. Alright, let's go down again. We made a full circle here. Tusen och en natt. Oh, cool. Charles Dickens, David Copperfield. Oh wow. Some really cool books. My dad would go mental if he would be here. Oh, World War. Cool, some really unique stuff here. Oh, can I go out here? Yes, I can. And of course the Christmas tree. All right. Here there's some like tables to read and relax. So what do we got here? Maybe you can check this out quickly. Can have a bit of a view here on the back. Oh, wow, some really cool, nice big windows. Oh yeah, there's a lot of people studying here. Have to be quiet. Check out these windows. Oh, there's the children's section on this side. I've never talked this quiet on the channel. Alright, what's here? The youth room. Oh, look at it. So cool. What's in here? Oh, nice. Cool. Alright, people looking at me like don't film me, so I'll go. Okay, let's go out again, I think. This was great. Alright, let's go down the stairs. There's like a cafe as well. All right, made it again, people. They let me in, they let me out. All good, all good. Stockholm City Library. Arkitekt Gunnar Asplund, 1928. Oh yeah! That was fun. That was exciting. Okie dokie. Well, let's not overcomplicate today's walk. That's it. That was the library, and I see you all tomorrow on a new adventure, chat gang. Thank you. Bye bye.